one of the biggest stories, and then Sandy Rekano, police form you know, and for Echo Ball or Mutio, our Kaswa Budumburam. Now, it's here for still a lot of issues are coming on that particular story. And right, the senior Ghana police for one more narrative, report on senior and send a CNO, and right, the Braille. A lot of people are reacting to it now, and ya call Kaswa for Nimuangasa a Hona assembly. For some time now, the people of Kaswa have been complaining over security issues. Sana Mekano for some time now, Kaswa for Isu because Obetia yes a Langas for air Jingro for Asa Kaswa, Langard for air Bunkro for Ekumo Kaswa. Semente Kranamata say Langard for Ekum said the police for Krawa Kaswa da. Some of Kaya Kennedy Japan and make his allegations in the crapping. Say when him say MPP lawyer KCB and I was just Langas for Nichi Langas now one more Kaswa or Mudis and Ransom Nichi. It has been an issue. Security in some a big issue ever Kaswa and they be a woman can say Kaswa there at the sun and then say at the sun no nimna wupia it's here for either say wo be hwere won kwan ana se ebia wo kra wo ka wo be luso ka ana ye be bo age osika tese sisi ade adesan wontumi empie nkwa abonten enkoji weni e wo ka so abiom intino police in some way esisi ye no reports bi wa ha say ye ko ka so na say ye ne nkofo ko kasa intino I have a report e wa ha say a etie for ebema watse in some ka so for eka say wo mo efre aban se abanyembra embeboa wo mo no intino wawo ne ze Ghana de bibiesi a aban na bambo nso de ade a aban bia eba ye beka se politician bia make campaigner what they can say o security there I'll make security tight intino politicians na ema security nsem no ye de tie omo nti yenkonko tesa report ne ba na de ensem bi atoaso
mo jiga nyina fa odu Friday to Sunday omugu CP Junction won ba ne member no obra wo mo bo han nyeize kra anti ss aban mama ban bombra Kaswa America town call abere camp no this a police yi say ya we kuni ye na abuye hu anadwi say ye hu de we wu pie kra na eye hu man enti esra pa say aban ne mombadia no mama ban bom ye ti wo Kaswa ofisa Kaswa no sisi anu wutia adesa kakra eye hu pa
sisi ania esi wo Kaswa ha se ye dwenwa ye ntiase won security nya tight kra ye save wo Kaswa ha se nti o say aban no hwe bibi no ye won normal police for bebre ebo man on ba Kaswa ha se no mebo Kaswa ban let me say Liberia camp say udu wa security nya tight won sa pra kwan isu a police fu ye koku omo ho eho edu na jona fa wa ye hu pa so nti o say o man pani on fa ne na si wo
wo de ye bre wo ti sa me de me yem kranka ade betia na aban kro be juru onyi na kranka me de me ye okay nti aba no ye bibi mfa ho e ma ye wo campo
no kranya menem nya ewiawe metia trufat me fuli ye ha to say enye me de the question na Bible kan Bible make a statement be osin do twe kranta on answer won the kranta no kranya menem asem esie no trufat enye ye de. And a second issue, Kaswa says, I send a Yamasiko, Yan Bambo for just so much my head about whom by. And the economy and yet, and washi, and yet, into yes, Ramos a bino on China in Beshay.
It's here for into why would ye in Koma airqua, a bema or crowd who say, Sabin Crawford won't walk Kaswa, just a whom abomo. Now it's very natural, say, if these people have the guts, actually I say if these people if these people have the guts to shoot at a police, and they say we shoot to police, they say police no won't practical. Now me who videos be on, it's for videos no real. Em say a see no na will be HR. Abrante any shoot to police ni no, we shoot to back into na back we pra, and I will shoot to the second one. Now em say no na shada anka police ni papa, and a police ni jane ye. Eko share provisional store bi mu ehwa na branch no wo car wo ho wo kra wait you se wo mpese wo be kum police ni na nka wo abrante no de obenzo obekwa akotena wo car mu na we dwane akọ abrante ni di echi ekọ store ni mu ekọ shoot police no ema ne 3 shots in his head ema police ni wuye eho na ewo shop ni mu na trese nyambransema esi nkrofo ni so no na I've seen a lot of videos of police for Sisia Womayo so more security are yet tight. It's very sad that this is coming after the death of these 2 policemen. I told the we need to be proactive. We need to do things even before. What you say? Now, can say security. Then they say you did agro. Now, can say you proactive before in same way. The Sisia I showing for too. I've seen videos of IGP who visited a year at the wives of these 2 policemen. Now it's very sad. It's very sad. Omo relatives kasa what should say suna. I think they need to do something to support their family because obviously these people are the breadwinners of the house. And still on Nkrofo ewa kaswa ensema wo mo kan no. Wo ba bi ewo ho enso edensem tudwa. Na wono de wo se ono ni yemu a na nka wo mo di sansem we a ya che 3 na nka ewo se yesanso eku wo mo tie nkonko tie wo ba nenu nsem
enema ayekoso Ghana hanom no ebro so eya den ya din ka akum MP ya ntehwe ya kum soja ni ya ntehwe se police fo mienu nso ya kum wo mu free ni nyina achim ya sanso mo de wo makogu soro asofa na si wo mo so asolite so wo mo so mo condition adentina wo se eba ne sayete ya mem na ye hu na amane sa enti me da madwen kire ne se sankofo se ye ku omu bi awo se ye ku omu bi Ghana anoma na yekoso na bro so me gira me so mu na asese me adan munku omu ai me ba so munku omu ewo hia sa mo
there are more reactions to this media no be bro later but utie asema wo ba we wodi tuja if you are affected by something like this, if you know someone ebia relative unia wadam for be and I hear the same way edina nanka obviously you also call for this say wo mo a ya chi omo say wo mo no ko do isa nyambransem no yenhu omo bisa but emra eye juma e wa ha say uye bibisa na it's called mob injustice and I say yebeka say instant justice what you say na I know Ghana yemra ekasetia no se munia mobeka me besa meka ebusiafo ya munia mobeka Major Mahama ne Maxwell Mahama ne nsema eba ni nia na mob injustice what you say because there was a perception say we could deboni bi that's what I think, that's what I'm saying, but coming from the pointer why we who say ye the way edu what to ho na ye rob do ye you say obviously that will be your call but embraye juma wa ha but police for call it for the public say omumbo awomo because a branch bia ni din ede Eric Kojodua wono he has ono na police for so say wono na said the were two etuo no wono na wokum police for no what he say into the police for a declare no wanted up to now womo enhu ne ye into no media no story no be bro later but let's go and take more reactions from people of Kaswa and then you get to see senior as the fear has actually gripped them as they are all afraid right now. Nti more of the reactions.
Ghana no enoma ekoso wa hanom ewom se police for ho a omobo oman ho ban. Nanso mesoma mesra meka ne se omampani ma sojafo eme beef up emeka eye police for no ho na omunhwe krom because akwati say Ghana no ase oman ni mu aye wo no nipa dodo no bebre no enhyeda nsuro police for madwe na mechiro enti yemma soldier for emeka police for ho na omomwa na security na enkoso ye because say kaso anya kaso anko wu Ghana na ye wo no ba bia na ekoso aha say uko mikro mo dan achiase a police soldier for wo ho no mi omo ye training wi a omaye dey omada uko Michelle Campo esa uko tema esa uko Kumasi esa enti ebesro mampani se o ma soldier for no emre krom emeka police for no no mum bi fi security no ebi se ne yan hwe ni yi a e de say enti kaso ade ehia soldier for wa ha no pa omo eboa na bibia yan de enkoso yi
yesre o mampani won fa nansi for omo aye no asem we de omo yire no ho no hwe mai because kwan a police for mienu we fa so wuye no
masa ya dodo ana kwan a san krofo no so efa so omo sheda na yeso omo di car no be car runabout no omo be car runabout no ye rough omo pe se de be ya police for no be di omo achi sa ada se police for no mienu no omo hwehwe omo ana se de onyankopon ko ananim enti omo man investigation no enye enkoso pa ne ehu because kwan a ye fa so kumu boys no de enwanwa pa because an roba bia ni wo betima pam police a shoot no asa pam no am akowura storm am asa shoot no hobiom yenhu bi da enti no omo mode ya no fa ni enhu omo ye saade no a omo kumu sa boy no na boy no so ba ko no wo ye minua awa ye minua ye nyina ye wo ye kuma se abu akwa papa na ye peni na me so me papa to so wo ye minua enti me sra wo omo mpenifo omo mfa omo nyira omo no omo waye
etiefo eno ensema edaho em say we've been able to paint a picture of the people living in Kaswa. They are calling for police. Now, asema abranche bako kan ya akoye se ya nokre ewo Ghana hakra ne se as a Ghana for ye nsuro police for. Na wo bi nso kan se mo se amro ba be pami police. Ama still with the police na echi ekodru store. Ama wabo police ni trimu tro dia na tre se ebia ya soma no se won bekum police because wo hwe narration na police won kra edeba ya Ingrofonete wo mo Camry car nim no wo befa police won enim e na ase wo mo ye police won rough na police won etena car mu edi omochi nti akoye se it's a plan thing nti almost stop ya police won so stop ya na afi wo mo sha ase se wo mo bo mutuo na police ni dwane no na nka wamba ho se wo bekuna na nka wo so wo betu ka akọ because police na wo town wo dwane what you say wo di ane se wo be ma police no we jai se wo di wechi afa we jai se wo di wechi na wo dwane a ade na se wo sanko di nechi ekobo nituo ekunu wo bi store mu nti afa asema abranche ba kwa wo teka so ho a me boche osisi a wo ka no ma me dwindwin ho enya second thought on this issue kra utumi hu se ebia na yasoma ebia na obi na abopa sese bi wo mu nkodi sa wo di semi areho etie for trewadwen e comment box ni mo medase